Welcome, 8th graders. This means I'm not here and I'm at jury duty. So I'm going to explain what you need to work on for your assignment today. And it's going to be finishing up your robot research design notebook. So you should have task 9 and task 10 to complete. Task 9 is going to be giving feedback to your classmates and watching their presentations. And task 10 is going to be reflection questions. So I'm going to explain each of those real quick, and then you're going to have work time to get both of those and anything else done from your design notebook, because today is your last day to work on it. So, all right, there we go. When you go to your design notebook, you can scroll down to task number 9, and you're going to have to go to Flipgrid to do this. So up above in task number 8, it says log into Flipgrid by clicking on this link. Once you sign into this, you are going to see different presentations that your classmates have made on robot research. And so what you need to do for task number 9 is watch 3 of them. And after you watch them, you're going to give feedback and, most importantly, a compliment. Try to find something specific that you think they did well with. So, for example, if you clicked on this one, you first watch the presentation, and then down below you see there is a spot where you can make a comment to give a compliment on their presentation. So that is task number 9, is giving feedback and a compliment to 3 of your classmates' presentations. After you do that, then the final task for this project is doing some reflection questions on your entire project. And so as you read through each question, remember to use complete sentences and try to be detailed with your answer. 1 or 2 word answers are not going to get you a very high score. A 1-sentence answer will probably not get you a high score either. So as you read through this, notice we have 2 should do questions that are in orange and 1 aspire to do question that I hope all of you at least attempt to try. So finish task 9, finish task 10, and anything else in this design notebook. And that is your assignment for today. Be kind, stay on task, and make good choices. See you soon.